In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Salesforce to Excel. Now, exporting data might sound a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step with ease, ensuring you can follow along effortlessly and achieve your goal in no time. Let's begin by opening your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you choose. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once you've got your browser open, type Salesforce into the search bar and press Enter. This will direct you to Salesforce's main website. Now that you're at the Salesforce site, it's time to log in. Simply enter your username and password and click the Login button. In just a few moments, you'll be directed to your Salesforce dashboard where the magic begins. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Reports tab. This is where all your report data is stored. Take a moment to locate the specific report you're interested in exporting. With all the different reports available, make sure you open the right one for the data you need. When you have your desired report open, you'll notice an Export button. Typically, this can be found right above the report results. Clicking on this button will open up the options for exporting your data, giving you a couple of choices to tailor the export to your needs. One of the most common formats to export your data in is Excel. So, from the list of available options, select the Excel format, also known as XLSX. This format is widely used because it maintains data integrity while being editable, making it perfect for sharing and manipulating data further if needed. Next, you'll be presented with two different options: Formatted Report or Details Only. The Formatted Report option will retain all the Salesforce-specific formatting, making it look exactly like what you see on the screen. This option is beneficial if presentation matters to you. However, if you're more interested in just the raw data for operations or analytics, you might want to go with the Details Only option. Once you've made your choice, it's time to hit the Export button. This action will commence the download, and soon you'll see your report saved on your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it might land in your Downloads folder, or it could ask you where you want to save it. Once downloaded, you have your Salesforce data ready to be manipulated, shared, or analyzed in Excel. And that's it. You've successfully exported your data from Salesforce into Excel, ready for whatever purpose you need it for. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and simple for you.